So my name's Jonny Gardner. My job at Sterling Warrington is Engineering Recruitment Manager. Graduated from university, went to Nottingham-Trent and studied sports science and management. One of the best mates at uni, he went into recruitment. He said that he thought I'd be good at it, so sort of followed his path and took his advice, and started with corporate back in 2014, doing more the sourcing side. So I worked for a big corporate. I think I started recruitment journey in 2014. Worked there for about 3 years. Felt like I wanted to get outside my comfort zone, be challenged a bit more, so I went into the mad world of 360. And then sort of worked my way up from there to senior consultant, and now sort of manage a team within engineering. I think it's important to specialise in a niche vertical market. I think in order to become a specialist, there's no point in saying I'm Jonny and I'll recruit for everything. I think the biggest thing is engineering is A, it's really, really interesting, and B, there is definitely a shortage of maintenance engineers, so if I can find the good ones, then it definitely helps me sort of day to day. Great question. In order to be good at recruitment, I think you need three things. I think you need to be good at building relationships with people, is number one. Number two is urgency. If you're urgent and trying to get things over the line, that is probably the most important thing, is urgency in this game. And number three is having backbone as well. I think especially in the first 6 months of the year in the recruitment world, especially in 360, really tough. There's a lot of hurdles. It's like a roller coaster, as people say. So if you can get past that first year, usually people fly, but it's having that resilience and backbone to get past that. Obviously I had a mutual connection in Adam, worked with him at my previous place. He kind of sold me, I suppose, the journey and the vision of the business. So I was on board with that and joined in 2019. So started Sterling Warrington in 2019 as a recruitment consultant, specialising just recruiting maintenance engineers in the West Midlands. Was promoted to senior consultant in 2021, I think it was, and then shortly after that I then obviously started becoming a manager. So I'm a billing manager, which means that I bill myself whilst managing a team of consultants, so it's just trying to spin lots of plates and juggle a lot of things, which is easier said than done at times. So in terms of the way the progression route worked, is I had to establish my own desk and get it to a certain sort of financial billings. And then from there it was a case of I took on more duties, became senior, and then from there it was a case of I wanted to expand, share my knowledge and grow the team really. So it was a case of I quite enjoyed the management side. I think it kind of quite closely links to my degree because it's sports science and management. My degree was heavily focused on management, and also I've done an ILM level 5 leadership and management course as well, which has helped with my management style moving forward really. A rare of things really. I think flexibility is good. I'm not micromanaged. Treat like an adult really. It's great fun. There's always stuff going on, whether it's social stuff outside of work or just having a great atmosphere within the team. One piece of advice for people looking to join Sterling Warrington is it's very much a case of work hard, play hard. So if you're willing to come in and sort of graft and the rewards do pay for that, but the attitude is really, really key. So you've got to be organised, you've got to be passionate about the job as well. You've got to really want to do well for yourself as well as the company.